What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and today I'm starting off with my EOS lip balm in vanilla. We love her. I'm also going in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and it's in Dewy Lumino or something like that. I'm just using this as like a primer, and I am putting it all over my lids up to my brow bone. Love brow bone. And I'm just spreading it out with this concealer brush. Sometimes I'll use the concealer brush, or I'll just use my fingers. It just depends, I guess, on how I'm feeling that day. And I just spreading it all over my lids, and I'm using it as like a primer, like a base for my eyeshadow and for my eyeliner. I really feel like my eyeliner just looks funky if I don't use some kind of a base or like a primer, and so that's what I'm doing right now. If I don't have like foundation to put on my eyes, then I'll just use like a powder, like a skin colored powder or whatever, and that usually works for me. I was having a lot of redness, you guys. I never do this, but that day, like, the redness was just bothering me, so I decided to put some foundation on those red areas. And like I said, I think I've told you guys in other videos before that, like, I do not wear foundation. I don't wear anything on my face, like foundation wise or concealer or anything, because it usually just makes me break out. But I tried this yesterday because I was just like, girl, nobody has time for all this redness, and it actually worked out for me, so I was pretty happy about that. And my face doesn't look horrible now with all these stupid red dots. I even had like a huge red bump on my lips, and it was bugging the crap out of me. But now I'm just taking this Milani powder. It's in Natural Tan, but girl, there's nothing tan about this color. And it's a powder foundation, and I'm just putting it on my lids because I know that it would help. I feel like if I put the foundation and then I just put the eyeshadow over it, like, it just makes the eyeshadow crease a lot easier, so I didn't want to do that. And now I'm taking this Shape and Stay brow pencil from e.l.f. This stuff literally feels like you're putting glue on your eyebrows, but it makes them stay in place, and it's the best. Like, I love this stuff. I remember finding it at, I think it was either H-E-B or Walmart, and I just, like, from then on, loved it. And now I just brushed out my brows a little bit, and then I'm taking this brow pencil from LA Colors, and it is in medium brown, and I'm just using that to fill in my brows. I don't do much to my brows. Like, I don't give them like a whole new shape or anything. At least I don't feel like I do. I mostly just fill in where the hair is, and I just follow my natural brow shape and fill in the really sparse areas, and then I just kind of like try to make sure that they match up evenly, like a little bit at least. Girl, you know, I want them to be at least in the same family, you know. So then I just take the brush on the end of that pencil and kind of brush it out. Brushing out your brows is very important. Like, some people don't think that it's important, but it really is. Like, when you're trying to like distribute the color evenly, you want to make sure that like the front of your brows is the lightest part, and then the ends are the darkest parts. Sometimes, because like literally the ends of my eyebrows are like almost non-existent, like it's hard to get a lot of color there, but I try my best, girl, to make the ends the darkest parts and then the front the lighter part. And now I'm just taking more of that foundation because I was having a lot of redness around my nose. And then I also have done this for like a long time, where I just mute the color of my lips. That way, whatever lip color I put on there, it comes out more vibrant, and it's just the color that I'm putting on my lips instead of my lip color combining with whatever I'm putting on my lips, if that makes sense. So I'm just kind of like muting out my lips a little bit. I don't do it too crazy. But now I'm taking this color in Your Highness, she's a queen, from this palette actually called The Queen. A queen lies in all of us, Eloise. And it is just the color Your Highness, of course. And it's like this coppery red color with like, I guess it's like kind of orange too. It's just like a copper color. So I'm just putting that all over my lid. I want that to be like my shiny standout color, and it's great. I'm just taking this color and putting it on my lid with my finger because I feel like the colors that go on your lid, they just go better when you apply them with your finger instead of trying to apply them with like a brush or something. I feel like they just don't come out as well for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I've always done this, and so I just am distributing that color, girl, distributing that very pretty color. And I was like so uncomfortable sitting on the stupid floor trying to do this tutorial, and like my back was hurting so bad. Now I'm just taking this other color called Kingdom, and it's a matte orange color. And so this color is not really as dark as it's showing up on my eyes. I also have like color on the brush that like is from other times that I've done my makeup. I need to clean my brushes, but I kind of like how it came out. Girl, I can't talk today. So I'm just putting that on my crease, blending it in, and I love how well the two colors go together. I just think they're so pretty. And then I am taking this other color in Amina, Amina, and it is a matte maroon color, and I'm just kind of adding that to the corners of my eyes a little bit and kind of blending it in. It's like a dark maroon color, and I love dimensions whenever I'm doing my eyeshadow. So like I used maybe like 4 or 5 different colors in my eyes, and I'm just going back in with that Your Highness color because it kind of faded after I was doing all the blending. It kind of faded away, so I wanted to like retouch that up and make sure that it was super shiny and sparkly and in your face and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm just kind of putting it on my eyelids, of course. And then I am going to be, what am I going to be doing, girl? I'm going to be taking this other palette that I have called the Revolution palette, and I'm going to be taking a black color. This is a Revlon palette. And I'm just going to be taking a black color and putting that on the outer edge of my eyes. And I've always done this. I never left my love for this smoky eye in 2016. Like, I didn't leave it back there, girl. I kept it. I love a smoky eye, and now I'm just taking like that bigger blending brush and blending it all in so that way it doesn't look crazy. But I love black eyeshadow, but like I'm not one to like put black eyeshadow like everywhere. I just want it on those corners and ends because it kind of, I don't know, it's just like so flattering to the eyes, isn't it? Or is it just me? I'm not sure. Now I'm just taking this black eyeliner from e.l.f. It's one of my favorite eyeliners, honestly, and it is, the writing is like so little, and I'm like low-key kind of becoming blind as I get older, so I can't tell what the color is, but I think it's just black. And I've been doing my eyeliner differently. I don't know if you can tell. I stop at like a midpoint, but I make sure to like blend it in like from my lash line up, and because I don't want it to be like a harsh stopping point. So if you guys want to see like a more in-depth video of how I'm doing my eyeliner now, I will definitely do that. I just love how it's been coming out. This is something that I think I saw something similar on someone, like on Pinterest or something, and I was like, oh my gosh, girl, like I want to try that. Oh no, 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 it wasn't on Pinterest, it was a video. I'm gonna have to find who that video was, but they did their eyeliner like this, and I was like, queen, we love her. And I just think it's so much more flattering than going all the way to your tear duct line and up. Like, look at my eyes. Like, I think it just gives like a more sultry look and more like just, I don't know, bam, like I love it. I love this look. And now I'm just taking this e.l.f. eyeliner pencil. It's a satin eyeliner pencil, and it's just in black, and I love doing my waterline and then my tight line, which it does take some practice, making sure that you don't poke yourself in the eye, even though I definitely have poked myself in the eye a few times, even now. Like, I still do it on accident, but I think it, like, look at that, it really makes like such a difference to me, honestly. And now I'm taking my favorite mascara ever, which is the Paris Hilton Volume Mascara. This came in like a 3-pack that I found at Ross, and it's like the volume mascara, the lengthening mascara, and then the curling mascara. And I love the volume one. Like the other two, they're good, but like this one, I'm like, oh girl, like you can really see that it makes a difference. And I really never cared very much about mascara because like it just didn't make much of a difference to me, because my eyeliner has always been like the prime focus of everything. So it just, I don't know, like I didn't really care about mascara, but this one I love, and I really feel like it makes a difference on my eyes, and I can tell whenever I do my mascara and then when I don't, and like it just makes a difference, you know. But now I'm just taking my favorite lip liner ever. We love her, and it is Maybelline Almond Rose. This literally goes with everything, and it is like the perfect shade, and it's just beautiful and creamy, and oh, love her. Love this lip liner. And of course I overdraw my lips just a little bit, gotta have big lips over here, and then I just fill them all the way in. That is so important. When you line your lips, fill in your lips with the rest of the color. It's crucial. And now I'm taking this Honey Shine lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. It's a flavored lip gloss, and this just makes your lips so like, oh, look at that. We love a glossy lip. And that is my look. And I'm so dumb. I'm so extra. But this is the rest of my look completed. I ended up pinning back a few more of my bangs because I thought it was just a little bit much. But this is my little look, my little 90s look, I guess, kind of. We love her. She's great. And then this, of course, is my outfit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I will see you guys next time.